Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad K Sangma ubabat hiya katanat platingka haga khat nyau tere unai lor araja arpusan ulabati kam ya prangot ki menteri thamai haga baki arngot ki sembut menteri Rangba ke Jela kata uba Preston tensang beruba senyau bahalang dhar kin bat ki juk ki tanat treikam hakane ke jing batikam utimuti di shira un pet ye katanat tourism agriculture but fisheries karbau ba Wailad miki Shilla un pet ye katanat health and family welfare sports and youth affairs but kiwe Uba sustenance sotun unpet ye katanat community and rural development CNRD, General Administration Department GAD, but Secretariat Administration Department katba uba sanbor shulai unpet ye katanat animal husbandry and veterinary, printing and stationery but legal metrology. Uba lakmen rumboy unpet ye katanat pulie, katanat revenue and disaster management, information and public relations but law department, katbau brenning sangma unpet ye katanat border area development, excise but civil defense and home guard. Uba Metbah lingdo unpet ye katanat boarding, taxation, water resources but textiles, katbau uba Methodius Dekar unpet ye katanat food, civil supplies and consumers affairs, labor and skill department but kiwei. Uba Preston tensong ubat kijuk kitanat kata ke District Council Affairs, Home Police, Parliamentary Affairs, Public Works Department in bracket R, Public Works Department in bracket B. Uba senyau bahalang dahar upet ye ke Commerce and Industries Department, Department of Prisons and Correctional Services, Transport Department and Urban Affairs Department. Umarkois and Marak unbat ye ke Housing Department, Public Health Engineering Department, Soil and Water Conservation Department.
Habatin, Peit bahaki kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, Peit ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukam shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.